Good morning, kids. So, kids, today our subject is English and topic is small letter F. Topic is small letter F. So, kids, as I already taught you how to write capital letter F, so in this video session, I will tell you how to write small letter F. So, here we go. So, kids, this is small letter F. This is small letter F. And the sound of letter F is now kids, this time you have to repeat after me. The sound of letter F is now kids. Now let's learn some words that begin with letter F. So this is small letter F, then F for feather, F for finger, and F for fish. F for feather, this is feather. F for finger, this is finger. And F for fish, this is fish. So kids, these are the pictures or the words that start from letter F. Now kids, let's see the steps to make small letter F. Now I'm going to tell you how to write small letter F. So the kids, this is small letter F. So now I'm going to tell you. So we will start in the corner and do a curved line. Then we will follow it all the way down in a straight line. Then we'll go to the middle line and draw a line straight across. So kids, this is how we make small letter F. Now kids, this is your homework. Here what we have to do? We have to write the first letters and complete the words. So kids, you can see there are many pictures and we have to write the first letter of this picture. So kids, the first picture is fan. First picture is fan. So kids, can you tell me what is the first letter of this picture? Fan. Yes, the first letter of this picture is F. So we will write small letter F because fan start from letter F. Now come to second. What is this? Yes, kids, tell me what is this? Yes, this is finger. So finger start from which letter? Yes, finger start from letter F. So we will write small letter F like this. Now come to third. So kids, can you tell me what picture is this? What is this? Yes, this is feather. And feather start from letter F. So we will write small letter F. Now kids, tell me what is this? Yes, this is fire. This is fire. And fire start from? Yes, fire start from letter F. So we will write small letter F. Now come to next. What is this, kids? This is, yes, this is fish. And fish start from letter F. So we will write small letter F. Now kids, this is fly. This is fly and fly start from letter F. Now kids, come to last picture. So kids, can you tell me what number is this? Can you tell me what number is this? Yes, kids, right. This is number 4. This is number 4. So we will write here F because 4 start from letter F. So we will write small letter F. So kids, this is your homework and you have to write the first letter and complete the words. Now come to next. So kids, this is your handwriting book and you have to practice small letter F. This is your page number 17. Now here is one more homework for you. So kids, this is your literacy book, and here you have to practice both small as well as capital letters. So first you will write here small, and then you will write capital letter F. So you have to practice both small as well as capital. And you can see this is small and this is capital. So you have to color it here, and you have to trace this letter, small and capital letter. So kids, this is your homework. This is your literacy book.